Hey everyone, this is Steven with Phase 1 Trading, and tonight I'm taking a look at AMD because it had great volume and price action today. So I want to look at this through a very specific lens, and that's at the 9 EMA, or the yellow line on this chart. Now, just to avoid confusion, and also for anybody who's looking for moving average indicators that work, I'm going to point these out to you right now. The red line on my chart is the 200 moving average. The white line on my chart is the 50 moving average. The pink line is the VWAP, which is helpful for day trading and scalping. The blue line is the parabolic SAR, and the yellow line, what we're focusing on today, is the 9 EMA, or exponential moving average. So I want to focus on just one very simple strategy that could have been used today, throughout the day, all the way from the opening to closing bell, that would have been profitable trading AMD. Now, just follow the yellow line. That's all we're going to focus on this entire video. Note that AMD breaks below, and the candles start to close below the yellow line, below the 9. We're just waiting. We're hawking this. Now, note we're on the 5-minute chart. Each one of these candles is 5 minutes of price action. And note this candle closes above the 9. The strategy here is to buy the candle right after the candle that closes above the 9, that reclaims the 9. Okay, and now the strategy is to hold, and you don't sell until you see a candle closing below the 9, which is right, is it here, 95.43? Nope, 95.60. It closed above the 9. You would have held. You would have continued to hold. See, it keeps bouncing. You're making more and more profit. No stress, holding until finally here the price action closes below the 9. All you're waiting for is a failure of the 9 and a reclamation to buy. That's your buy signal, or that could have been your buy signal today. And I challenge you to find a low float runner tomorrow morning and look for the same exact pattern to play out. Whether it's suppression or a bull run, you will note that the 9 EMA, once a candle closes above or below it, you are in a run in that direction now. So if you want to play conservative, wait for the turn and not necessarily buy the bottom, but wait for a confirmed turn to a bull run. Wait for the 9 EMA to get reclaimed on these shorter time frames. Now, you might be saying, well, that works on the 5-minute, but what about the longer time frames? First of all, it works on the 1 minute. Go ahead and check it out for yourself. But let's just go look at the 15-minute really quick for another example. And here we go with the 15-minute chart pulled up. You can see the same exact price action and same exact strategy would have worked, would have been profitable today. 15-minute candles. The first candle closes way below the 9 EMA. Once again, keep your eye on that yellow or gold line on the chart. Again, closes below, closes 93.74, above the 9 EMA. So you're going to take that next candle if your strategy is to play the 9. Take that next candle, so you buy it somewhere in the high 93s, mid 94s. And now all you have to do is hold. See how the price action is floating? Support, 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 closing all above the 9 EMA. You could have bought here and held all day until after hours, and sold anywhere from the mid 98s to the high 97s easily for profit, just by using the 9 EMA as your entry and exit cue. So remember, wait for the candle to close above or close below before you start taking action using this type of a strategy. Once again, I challenge you, go ahead, back out, look at the daily chart, look at the weekly chart. You're going to notice the same exact patterns just on a longer time frame. So really the success of using something like this really has to do with your patience in accordance to the time frame that you're using. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for when we do new stock reviews and podcasts. Remember, we're on Twitter, obviously, at Phase 1 Trading. And if you'd love to join our group, we'd love to have you. $30 a month, Discord, links in the description. We'll see you there. Good luck.